Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a girl, so let's get started. First, draw a curve here. Now draw the ears. Draw the eyebrow. Now draw the round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now draw the hand here. And draw the dress. Now just follow it with me. Draw a ribbon here. And the detail. And the leg. Now draw the head. Just follow it with me. Just follow it with me. Continue drawing with the hair. Draw the detail. Now we have a cute girl.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.